I'm now joined by a passenger, Aishwarya, who is travelling in the S4 coach where the explosion took place. What exactly did you hear and what was the time?
It was around 7:30, I guess. We were all sleeping. We just heard a too loud noise, and then what we had to do is we just rushed out from the coach, and now we are all safe. People were injured. We got down from the train without carrying our luggage. We do have 2 luggage already in the coach which we have lost.
What was the first thing that you saw soon after you heard that explosion?
We just saw people screaming and walking out of the coach. That's all we saw. And after coming out from the coach, we did see people, few injured people. Immediately the police came in and the bomb squad came in, and they've taken control of the thing. I hope everything goes off well now.
Right, and there is also suspect that there was one more person who was travelling in the coach and there was a bomb that was planted underneath the seat of a woman who lost her life.
I have no idea about that. I was a little far after the explosion happened. Since we are all scared, we're all tensed. So I have no idea, but I guess they have caught whatever I've heard from the people. I've heard that they've caught the person who had travelled.
Did you see any person who was inside the train after all the passengers got down? Was there someone who was hiding inside the bogie?
No. The only thing I was thinking of how to get off the train and save my life. So I do not have any idea regarding that.
So that is the first-hand encounter of a passenger who was travelling in the train where the explosion took place. In Chennai, Srisha Reddy for Headlines Today.